back, guys, to another video, and today we're going to be drawing a parrot, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial like the Lego video. So first you'll need to draw a kind of oval, however big you like it, and then you'll need to draw like a triangle going nearly all the way down to the bottom, like kind of this, and then you can try and draw a beak. I tried to do mine pointy, and then you can draw the feet at the bottom. You can do whatever type of feet you want. And then you can put an eye close to the beak, but not right next to the beak. And then you can try and draw some like feathers wherever you want them to be, and patterns. Yeah, and I tried to go with like lines, and then you can try and do the wings when you're done that. This might take a while to finish the whole bird. I'm gonna try and speed it up. And then when you think you're done with that, you can do some lines. And then you can try and do some triangles if you like it that much. And then you can just keep doing patterns. And when you're done that, you can go into the wings. I do nearly the exact same thing, but I do like lines, like rainbow lines. Do you know, like that type of things for the wing? And then I go for the beak. I just kind of do very short lines. And then that's basically your whole bird. If you want to do like another wing, go ahead and do it. But I like mine like this. So if you have anything else do you want me to draw, I will happily do it for you. And you can draw like berries going around and bushes if you really like that. And then you can start coloring it. And that's the end of the video, and bye. Yeah, and remember to always leave a like, click the subscribe button, and keep being cool.